Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Monday, December 10th. Better than expected employment numbers Friday pushed the mini S&P to close up 3 points at 1416. After a dip below the 1400 pivot on Wednesday, the broad market finished positive on the 5 days of trading for the third consecutive week. Dow futures rallied again, up 81 points to 13,144 on new 3-week plus highs. The blue chips have the best week, up 1%, with support on a weekly basis down at 12,850 and 13,200 the end of September, beginning of November peak, the resistance above. Apple woes hit tech shares down 0.6% to finish at 2637 on Friday. The E-mini Nasdaq lost 1% after new relative highs on Monday at 2698, right near the 2700 resistance, with 2600 the support below. Crude oil lost 25 cents Friday to 86 to finish the week at the low end of the trading range. The month-long trading range was extended on Monday with new highs above 90, with 85.50 lows from the last Wednesday as support. The euro got hit hard at the end of the week to close down 35 at 129.28 after peaking near 131.50 on Wednesday. The dollar index rallied above the 80-point pivot to finish at 80.41. Gold added $4 to 1706 after monthly lows intraday on Friday at 1684. The 1675 extreme lows from the beginning of November is the downside to watch. Silver finished unchanged and above the pivot at 33.14 after higher weekly lows above 32.60. So with stocks adding another positive week last week, solidly above the S&P 1400 and the 13,000 Dow, where do things stand to start the week and this Monday morning? Well, the dollar rally continues, up 23 ticks to 80.45, up 2 ticks at 80.45, sending the euro currency down to 129 support off 18 points. Bonds are 14 ticks higher to just under 150. Crude oil's up 50 cents to 86.50 with another tight 60-cent trading range for the session so far overnight. Prices are bouncing at the support level with weekly resistance at $90, targeting 95, and the yearly pivot on a breakout. Gold is above 1700 this weekly pivot as we start the day up $7 at 1713. Silver's 25 cents higher at 33.39. So as we get started on this Monday morning, stock futures are off a bit with the E-mini S&P at 1415 down 2 points. Dow futures are down 18 and the Nasdaq futures are down 4.5 points with more than an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the current action on this Monday morning, the euro currency is down 18 points with the dollar still solidly above 80. Bonds are up 14 ticks. Crude is holding at 86.50 with gold $7 higher at 17.13 per ounce. Stock futures with the E-mini S&P sit at 14.14.5 with the weekly and multi-week highs at 14.24 above. The Dow futures at the CME Group are 18 points higher at 13,125. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I'll see you early Tuesday morning for the Stir in the Markets to set up your day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.